back with us here at News Live. Various concerns on firearms and firecrackers were tackled in a Senate committee hearing. Today, Bianca Piedad filed this report.
The Senate Committee on Public Order and Dangerous Drugs has conducted a hearing today regarding the issue of gun use in the country and also that of firecrackers a week before sessions resume on January 21. Committee Chair Senator Gringo Honasan, however, prioritizes the firearms stakeholders since guns are more dangerous than firecrackers.
So we're giving all the resource persons, especially the Philippine National Police, 2 weeks to get all data in, after which we will consolidate everything.
Senator Honasan is determined to put behind bars those who violate the gun regulation laws. According to the Philippine National Police, there are about 1.6 million licensed firearms in the country as of December of last year. There are also 529,000 unrenewed licenses and about 1 million gun owners.
We go after the illegal suppliers, distributors, and importers of illegal firearms. That's the source, no? In fact, the penalty recommended is life imprisonment. Doon naman sa illegal possession, from 6 years to 12 years.
Gunless Society Secretary General Norman Cabrera emphasizes that there should be stricter gun control laws and that the punishment should be much more severe for violators.
Ang stand ng Gunless Society at Kapatiran Party ay hindi naman total gun ban, naaalisin natin lahat ng baril dito sa Pilipinas, kundi stricter gun control.
Cabrera proposes to revise the provision regarding issuance of permit to carry firearms outside residence or PTC-FOR. He believes this would help curb the irresponsible use of firearms by private individuals and some politicians.
Aming panukala, sinasabi namin dapat ito ay itaas 2 hanggang 20 taon nang walang parol at gawin itong criminal offense.
Senator Honasan also cites and is contemplating to use Senator Panfilo Lacson Senate Bill 2786 and 2993, which he believes are the most comprehensive proposals for gun laws. For People's Television, Bianca Piedad.